Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Wahoo Bolt V2. First, ensure your device is fully charged using the included USB-C cable. Next, grab your smartphone and download the Wahoo Element Companion app, available for both iOS and Android. Once installed, power on your Bolt V2. The device will display a QR code or a pairing code. Open the app, select Pair Element, and scan the code or enter it manually to establish the connection. This initial step is crucial for seamless integration. Now that your Bolt V2 is paired, let's personalize it. Open the Element app and navigate to the Pages section. Here, you can customize up to 10 data pages, selecting from over 170 data fields to display exactly what you need. You can also set up multiple profiles, perhaps one for road cycling and another for mountain biking, each with unique settings. Finally, connect your ANT Plus or Bluetooth sensors, such as a heart rate monitor or power meter, for comprehensive ride data. One of the Bolt V2's standout features is its navigation. You can effortlessly sync routes created on platforms like Strava, Komoot, or Ride with GPS directly to your device via the Element app. Once a route is loaded, the Bolt V2 provides clear, color-coded turn-by-turn directions, making it simple to stay on course. If you need to deviate or find a new destination mid-ride, the Take Me To feature allows you to generate a route on the fly, guiding you precisely. Beyond the basics, your Bolt V2 offers several advanced features. Activate Live Track to share your real-time location with friends or family, enhancing safety and peace of mind. Always keep your device's firmware updated through the Element app to access the latest features and performance enhancements. For maintenance, simply wipe your Bolt V2 with a soft, damp cloth after rides, avoiding harsh chemicals. Store it in a cool, dry place to ensure its longevity and optimal performance for many adventures to come.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.